Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm creating mini works of art, and this very first one, I am showing you how I do the pours, and then the next three, they're already done, and I just show you how I blow it out. And I decided that I would use my hairdryer rather than my compressor, just to see what happens. And I think the results are so beautiful. So keep watching to see how it turns out. So I wanted to experiment with the hairdryer rather than the compressor, and boy am I glad that I did, because this is gorgeous. I am super thrilled with these beautiful coasters. They are mini works of art, they really are. I love them. That color combination of black, white, and gold really works so well together. I love these. Wow. Look at the shimmer from that gold. It is beautiful. Keep watching. The dry results are coming right up in 1 second. So these mini works of art on coasters sold before I knew it, so I didn't get a chance to do a dry video, but here is a picture. They were really beautiful. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.